Hi, I'm Lilli and Carey.
I'm Carey.
And this is review from day 3. I think we could call this the pivot day, right? It's not the only thing we did, but it's definitely one of the things we did. And just for reference, we're here at Crystal Dragon in St. Petersburg.
That's awesome.
Yep, it's basically awesome. So, all right, so we started off with a quick review of the cross pivot outside turn. Just doing subtle, you already do this quite well, but my sense is it's just useful to remember a couple of tips. So I'm going to open her up at the end of the basic. That's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And she's going to hold me back a little bit and hang back from across.
And then I'm going to step through, across, and then release her gently. So as I step around, I'm going to accelerate and then allow the turn to slow down and slowly release. With a basic. Open up, cross, pivot, outside turn, there. And for those outside turns, I'm always going to gauge how high or tall my follow is. Big follow, small follow. So the hand passes right past the right side of her head. Then we did chain pivot rollaways. Yeehaw. So on chain pivot rollaways, we actually want to send this hand down as we start to do our rollaway.
Even if she's just leading me in a free spin, go ahead, cross, pivot, she's going to really step the direction she wants me to go. That gives me a really clear path.
So one of the challenges for leads is that we think we need to turn really fast to be able to get back to our follow. What we're really looking for is control. So as we do this rollaway, we actually want to step down line of dance, spot our partner, and come open, having the arms open. So we're ready for whatever is next.
In this case, more pivots.
That's right. And somebody asked me during class, well, how do we make sure that, how do we do this? So some of it is us working together.
As a team.
As a team. You know, if I lead one, it's possible another one might happen. But I'm also, just the way I present at the end of the first pivot, it says to her, oh, that's a little different.
That's not basic.
Right here, with basic. And across pivot.
2, 3,
Down line of dance. I'm going to pick her up.
2, 3,
4,
5, 6.
And pick her up.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And each time when I head into her, I'm going to lean back a little bit and then come up onto this foot as I come into my pivot.
We talked about the fact that when we're doing pivots, it's a lot like our chaîné turns, but it's more stationary, right? One person has the job of being the pivot point and staying stable and not fully weighting that right foot. And then the other person is going to be scooping and stepping around, trying to take a nice small step, aiming for just next to that other foot.
So if I'm going directly into a pivot, that's my step there. It's very small, and there's the next step, and then whatever happens to be afterwards. I'm also accelerating as I'm coming into that pivot. That helps the follow know something is different, right? So then the last thing that I mentioned in class was that we talked about the fact that there are other pivots. We could do this one very close. There's nothing wrong with that.
But that means that we're both sharing a common pivot point, which is our right foot, which feels different.
If you want sort of a lighter, airier counterbalance, put a little space in between your bodies. Keep the feet small and close together.
We're also trying to settle back with our hips, not with our shoulders, so that we're both stable and balanced.
So just going straight into a cross pivot. Actually, we'll go into a cross pivot and do it as a 6-step. Cross. And 1. So we keep a little bit of space in between us. That makes them lighter and very relaxed. We want to maintain that relaxed.
We talked about the idea that we're toned, like if we and stand up straight, we can really feel that we're engaged, but we're not trying to hold tight and stiff.
Absolutely. All right, then we had kind of a fun variation that goes into shadow and a little bit of a counter. Let's put a basic on top of this guy. Yeah. I'm going to correct this right there. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5,
Catch your back.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was really just an entrance for a cross pivot, pivot outside turn. She's really clearly sending me in two directions. She's saying, hey, follow, go forward, really stretch into that space, and then allow yourself to be brought back and continue your energy, because she's gonna pick that up and use that to pivot.
That's
So
right.
move this way.
So let's go right into it. I'm going to open up 1, 2, 3. I step forward and step
She's catching that back early.
right here, back, and then we just go ahead and go from there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, catch 6. 1, 2, 3, outside turn.
One of the things we talked about is that she has to ask me to bounce into this place. So she's stepping forward, but she's trying to catch my energy and use the ground to break a little bit and make sure that I don't have too much rope here. We also talked about for follows, I'm going into this about here, and then when I stretch, I'm going to go about to here, but I don't want to let my arms go too far back and make my little shoulders at risk.
All right, let's go ahead and we'll do the variation with 6 steps on top of this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1.
We also talk about that 6-step pivot that we're going to let 5, 6 drift so we can head into that basic, very relaxed.
Then on that same shadow, we have a prepped turn. And this one has all sorts of fun things going on with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to catch here. I'm keeping this hand. 1, 2, 3. And then this just floats so gently to an inside turn. I'm going to catch her right there and say, let's go that way.
In time.
And 1, and 4, 5. Different hand position.
And turn.
Catch her early. And that'll allow us to come out. If you don't catch her early enough, or she comes with too much energy, well, it's going to be a great one.
It's a great compliment.
That's the option. All right.
We talked about the fact that in this spot, if I go 4, 5, 6, she's really asking me to rotate into her. 1.
Notice I rotate my body.
I love that. 2, 3. At this point, I'm really just touching to acknowledge the beat and give myself a foot to roll through as I pass in my turn. But because I'm rotating to my right with this prep, I don't want to place my weight on that yet. Then this is a scoop. 4, 5, 6.
All right. Then we did the 6-step pivot from, you could call it side to side or toss across.
You guys call it from a zigzag type
Zigzag,
variation.
that's right. So with the basic on top, with the side to side, especially if I'm going to lead a pivot, I'm going to create a smaller container for my follow to move in. That's going to allow me to open them up and step across. I'm looking for a little more frame so I can catch them on the floor.
Follows, I'm really trying to connect to her when we're doing this, and we're just in this position. I'm really trying to settle into each side by kind of pulling my shoulder back just a little bit. I can really extend with my arms and make that look very pretty without opening up so much that she's going to have a hard time leading me.
And if she's all the way out here, it's very difficult for me to actually go into that pivot.
Wrangle me there.
That's right. So, from a basic, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeping her in front of me, opening her up,
Extra.
and 4, 5, and cross, and cross, and keep going. Open it.
So.
And 1, and 4. I'm really going to be looking for where line of dance is. That's going to help me stand track. Or wherever it is I want to finish this move out because of the busy dance floor.
You never know.
It could be something else. All right. Then we took that prep from the first week where we came in and we just rolled out. So we took that one and we get to that position by sliding down her arm.
I'm applying pressure down the whole time.
And the reason she's applying pressure is at this moment, our only connection point is this one, right?
So I want to give it energy and let her know that I'm here.
Right, and we play with a little ninja exercise where I'm always looking wherever I'm giving energy, she's going to be giving energy back, right? So if I put my hand back there, here, and now when I'm sliding down here to get into this prep, I'm able to connect with her, right? It's possible to do it the other way, but I end up having to find that hand, right? So here's the variation. Slide down.
6, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hammerlock.
6,
Step across.
2, 3,
And
4.
flip the hand.
6,
And
1.
1. And so a couple things to remember on this. Number 1, leads. Try not to travel.
I'm doing a whole bunch of turns.
She's doing a lot of turning, so it really makes it easy for her if I keep her right in this position. So I'm going to let her turn. And then I have this lovely connection right in the back.
I'm expanding outward.
So that protects her shoulder. Now I can step across to flip. And I'm taking my hand at the end and I'm flipping her. And then assuming this is line of dance, this is the outside of the hall, as I turn her, I step across and I face the outside of the hall.
That's going to change the direction of my turn. The other thing that she's doing is that when 1, 2, 3, 4, she's going to ask me to rotate left shoulder into her.
Into my chest.
So that I'm winding up for this turn, step, step.
Right?
Right? If I'm doing this turn on my own, I'm just going to go, I'm going 1, 2, 3.
All right, last time for this one, and then I